There are a lot of reasons to use Classcraft. Gamifying your classroom can increase student interest and student relevancy. We know that many of our students are avid video gamers at home, so bringing these game elements into the classroom can really help them connect with their personal interests and personal hobbies. On a more academic focus, Classcraft quests can allow for more personalized learning. The visual natures of these quests support students as they look to see the connections between different learning outcomes. In my classroom, I found that it easily allowed for me to integrate the values encouraged by my school PBIS plan. For those of you who are unfamiliar, PBIS, or Positive Classroom Behavior Support, is a program that encourages strong and positive classroom environments through a variety of strategies. And I was able to tailor the expectations of my Classcraft classroom to match the behaviors that our school is encouraging with PBIS. Anytime I can connect with the initiatives already in place, I'm incredibly excited. And to that end, my school is in the process of implementing MTSS, or multi-tiered systems of support. And as we're continuing with the MTSS process, I'm finding that Classcraft also is allowing for support of that initiative. The basic backbone of Classcraft is that students create individual avatars or characters in the game. And these characters digitally represent the students. There's a lot of variety in how these can look and feel, as you can see from these couple of examples. The idea is that for positive behaviors, the characters go stronger, and for negative behaviors, the characters lose health points. This helps you, the teacher, clearly communicate with students the impact that their behaviors are having on their learning. Suddenly, all students are aware of where they are in the list of expectations and consequences. Experience points are tied to academic and interpersonal actions, allowing any student to be successful in the game environment. It allows you to shift your classroom management from the more traditional one verbal warning, one redirect, one phone call home, etc., and allows for more flexibility based on specific student information and circumstances. It also removes this element of a student saying, "What did I do? Why are you calling home? Why am I in trouble?" Suddenly you're able to show them these are all the different moments where health points were lost. On the flip side of that, when a parent asks, "How is my child doing?" you're able to pull up all the positive things that their child has been doing. This has done a lot for my classroom culture and is removing a lot of the perceived biases. Students are also put into teams, which allows organically for an atmosphere of collaboration. Students are able to support each other, heal each other, and work together on different assignments. Individual students can succeed in the game without working in a team, but they're going to be very limited in their opportunities for growth. It teaches students the value of working with people that are different from them and the ability to evaluate strengths and weaknesses of different people and players in the game. Classcraft quest lines also allow for academic support. Now, in the free version of the game, you're a little bit limited in how much you can actually do with quests, but in general, students are able to move through the paths of learning, earning points towards strengthening their character, earning points by doing activities, and earning rewards in class. Classcraft also visualizes their learning pathways, and I'm going to show you a little bit more about quests later on in the training. So if you're not totally sure what I'm talking about here, don't worry.